Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another mystery box opening. That's right, I've got a mystery box. Hang tight and see what's inside. Now, are you as excited as I am as to what's inside this box? Well, I'll tell you what, this box is another item I bought online, and it's something very puppety. So we're gonna see inside what kind of puppets I received. Now, the order was for a batch of, I guess it would be handmade puppets this time. So I have no idea, other than the pictures, what we're getting. So here it is. Some handmade puppets. They were made by a nurse. That was the story I was told. I gotta thank you. Okay, that was very nice. Now, let me get my glasses on so I can actually see what we've got here. So we've got some puppets coming out. Here's the first one. Now, they were handmade by a nurse, and they were used in, from what I was told, in a rehab facility, I guess it was. And here we go. Look at that. Very cute bunny with some bunny ears right here, and a little flower, and some bells. You hear the bells? All right. Very nice. The arms are right out here in front holding a flower. There's a very pretty heart. The action is pretty nice. Look at that. It has a little tongue inside. Very well made. Look at that. Googly eyes, a gem nose. There it is. There's the bunny rabbit. Okay, so that's number one. So let's put the bunny rabbit on right there. We go. Okay, there's number one. Okay. Frankly, I forgot how many we have, so we're gonna go through this one at a time. So we've got our packaging here. All right. Here's number two. This one is another bunny. Okay. Very long arms here, or long arm area. So the arms have little jingle bells on them. Some ears. This one's got hair. Look at that. Two different color strands type of thing. Flowers right up here. Bells on the arms. Googly eyes. Two different color googly eyes. Okay. Gem nose. And this one actually has a snowflake in the mouth. So there it is. This is a little gray and blue bunny rabbit. Okay. So let's do that. Let's put the gray and blue bunny rabbit right here. Very cool so far. Look at that. Okay. Scoot them over just a little bit. Okay. Here's the third one. All right, here we go. I think they're all bunny rabbits. That's okay. So now we have a pink bunny rabbit. Here we go. Okay, this one, no bells on the hands, just the hands. But it has this like a psychedelic 80s style print on the back of the ears. These ears stand up a little easier than these other ones here. Flowers there, gem nose, googly eyes, and a tongue inside. There we go, like that. Okay. All right, so we've got number three there. Let's figure this out. I hope I brought enough stands. Okay. There's number three. Can you see her? There we go. Okay. I think we're going to be fine if we move them off to the side right here. Give me a little bit more room. There we go. Okay. There's more. Ha ha ha. Here we go. Oh, this is like almost like a mini pearl bunny rabbit here with a little straw hat. All you need is the little price tag hanging down. Flowers on each of the ears. Let's see, flowers on the front, and a googly eyes, little jewels, and a little tongue inside. Now, in a minute, I'll see what's actually inside. We'll turn one out just for fun. So there we go. Here's one of my double stands. And there's a video that you can watch on how to make those stands, but that's a different video. Okay. All right, they keep coming here. All right, okay, so here's another one. This is a bunny rabbit. It has green eyes, long hair, the bunny ears, of course. Let's see, it's got feathers in the hands, jewel nose, and a little tongue right there. There it is. Hello. So we've got that one there. So that's going to go right over here. Okay. All right. We've got some more. How many more do we have? We have at least 2 more. There's possibly another one after that. Okay. All right. Wow, this is a fancy one here. This is a red bunny with a lot of these little pom-poms. Okay, with a big bit of hair there. Ears, the pom-poms are actually where the eyes are as well. The pom-poms there, all over pom-poms, okay? And a little tongue inside. Look at that right there, okay? Got another stand down here. Okay, all right. Now, let's see. We have, oh, I think we've got, this is the last one, I believe. Yep, okay. So here we go. This is the little gray bunny. And this one's kind of plain compared to the others, but it has a little rose, a little flower right there, which is nice. Big floppy ears, googly eyes, and a tongue inside the mouth. Look at that. All those puppets out of one mystery box. Look at that right there. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty. Well, what do you think? Do you think we should come back in a moment and show you a little behind the scenes? If you're up to it, we're going to come back in a moment and show you some behind the scenes. There you go. There's the pink and white one. Look how it has the jewel nose, the heart, and the flower. And then this one here has orange and gray hair. This one even has 2 different color eyes. There's the 80s psychedelic checkerboard. I like this one. This is the one with the pom-poms. And the hair, the curly hair, and the pom-poms everywhere on this one. There's the little gray one. Little rose in his hands there. Here's the mini pearl. That's what I call it, the mini pearl. Again, we just need a little price tag. And here we go, green eyes on this little gray and white one. And that's the one with the feathers in his hands. So there we go. That's our collection of beautiful puppets, handmade puppets. What do you think? Well, if you're still with me, we've just seen the close-ups. Now we're going to pick one and we're going to show you the inside of it. I think they're all pretty much the same. They were made by the same builder. Again, I was told it was a rehab nurse. So we're going to take the puppet and we're going to turn it inside out and see how it's made. This is always the fun part for me. Now, it is a faux fur. A little bit of string left over, that's okay. The mouth appears to be, I don't know if it's like a cardboard, like a milk carton, or what it is. It's like a waxy paper possibly, with the edges that have a little a border around them. And it's only glued in on the top and the bottom, so that midpoint is not glued in there. The ears Well, it's just, that's it. So the ears are sewn to the outside. As you can see, there is it's a half and half construction. So there's half of it here on this side and half of it on this side sewn together, and then it's sewn together around the neck and then down the side. And it looks like, I'm trying to decide if it was sewn together down the side afterwards. I think they might have sewn this seam here and then actually a sew on both sides. Okay, so let's pop it back together. Well, let's just do this. This is the behind the scenes. Okay, for puppet makers only. Ha ha ha. All right, so there we go. Again, the ears have been sewn on afterwards. It looks like this one needs a few extra stitches there, but it actually works pretty well. I would have to kind of have it like this, but the mouth works good. It looks like they folded over the edge. Again, after pulling it apart, it looks like I have, well, no, I guess I haven't loosened it because it was never really glued on. But this part here, where the mouth is, it would have to be re-glued. But there it is. You can make all sorts of facial features like that. But there it is, the behind the scenes. That's what it is. So there it is, again, a mystery box of lovely puppets. Thank you again for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of these fun videos. And I hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time. Again, this is the DIY Magician with a lot of extra fluff here, just like that, and a lot of fun puppets for a mystery box opening. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.